Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to set your own schedule and work on your own terms. Do you want to make money online? The internet offers endless opportunities, and one of the most lucrative is selling products through e-commerce platforms. Amazon FBA might be the perfect opportunity for you. It's a platform that allows you to leverage Amazon's vast resources to grow your own business. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means that Amazon handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. It's a great way to sell products and build a real business. Here's how it works. First, you need to identify products that have high demand and good profit margins. You find products to sell. This involves researching market trends, analyzing competitors, and sourcing quality products. You list them on Amazon. Customers buy your products. Creating compelling product listings with great photos and descriptions is key to attracting buyers. You send your products to Amazon's warehouses. Amazon's logistics network ensures that your products are stored safely and shipped efficiently. Amazon takes care of everything else. They manage the inventory, handle the packaging, and ensure timely delivery to your customers. They ship the products to the customers. They handle returns. This means you don't have to worry about the complexities of shipping and handling. They even provide customer service. Amazon's dedicated support team is available to assist your customers with any issues or inquiries. Amazon FBA has many benefits. One of the biggest advantages is the access to Amazon's massive customer base. You get access to millions of customers. This exposure can significantly boost your sales and brand visibility. Amazon handles all the shipping and logistics. This allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business, such as marketing and product development. This saves you a lot of time and money. By outsourcing the logistics to Amazon, you can reduce overhead costs and streamline your operations. You can build a real sustainable business. With dedication and the right strategies, your Amazon FBA business can grow and thrive. Many people sell on Amazon as a side hustle. It's a flexible way to earn extra income without quitting your day job. Some people make it their full-time job. With the potential for high earnings, many entrepreneurs have turned their Amazon FBA ventures into their primary source of income. Are you ready to start your FBA journey? The first step is to educate yourself and understand the process. Let's dive in and learn how to make it happen. With the right knowledge and tools, you can achieve online selling success through Amazon FBA. Finding the right product to sell is crucial for your Amazon FBA success. This is the foundation of your business, and getting it right can make all the difference between thriving and struggling. This is called product research. It's a systematic approach to identifying products that have the potential to be profitable. The goal is to find a product that people want to buy. This means understanding market trends and consumer behavior. You also want a product that you can sell for a profit. This involves calculating costs, including manufacturing, shipping, and Amazon fees, to ensure a healthy margin. Start by thinking about your interests. Your passion can drive your business forward and keep you motivated. What are you passionate about? Your hobbies and interests can be a great starting point for product ideas. What do you know a lot about? Leveraging your knowledge can give you an edge in understanding the market and your customers. Research products in those categories. Look for items that are popular but not oversaturated. For example, if you love fitness, look at yoga mats or resistance bands. These are products with consistent demand. Next, use Amazon itself as a research tool. Browse different categories and take note of what's trending. Look for products with high demand. The Amazon bestseller list is a great place to start. High demand means people are buying a lot of that product. This indicates a healthy market. You can use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to help with this. These tools provide valuable data on sales volume, competition, and trends. When evaluating a product, consider the competition. Analyze how many sellers are offering similar products and how well they are doing. Are there already many sellers offering the same thing? High competition can make it harder to stand out. Can you offer something unique or better? Differentiating your product can give you a competitive edge. Look for products with a good balance of demand and competition. This sweet spot can lead to higher profitability. Remember, finding your niche takes time. It's a process of trial and error, and persistence is key. Don't get discouraged if it takes a while. Every successful seller has gone through this phase. Keep researching and you'll find the perfect product for your Amazon FBA business. Your dedication and hard work will pay off in the end. Once you've found your winning product, it's time to find reliable suppliers. DHgate and Alibaba are two popular websites to source products at wholesale prices. They connect you with manufacturers, primarily in China. DHgate is great for smaller orders. It's user-friendly, especially for beginners. You can often find lower minimum order quantities, or MOQs here. This means you can start with a smaller investment. Alibaba is ideal for larger orders and more experienced sellers. It offers a vast selection of products and suppliers. You can often negotiate better prices on Alibaba, especially for bulk purchases. When evaluating suppliers on either platform, communication is key. Are they responsive to your inquiries? Do they seem trustworthy? Check their supplier ratings and reviews from other buyers. Ask for samples to assess product quality firsthand. Remember, clear communication and thorough vetting of suppliers are crucial for a successful Amazon FBA business. Your Amazon listing is your storefront. It's the first impression potential customers have of your product. It's how you showcase your product to potential customers. A well-crafted listing can make the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. A high-converting listing grabs attention and persuades people to buy. It's not just about having a product. It's about presenting it in the best possible light. Start with a compelling product title. Your title should be clear, concise, and include the most important keywords. Use relevant keywords that buyers are searching for. These keywords help your product appear in search results, making it easier for customers to find you. Highlight the key benefits and features of your product. Think about what makes your product unique and why someone would choose it over a competitor's. Next, write a detailed product description. This is your chance to tell the story of your product and explain why it's the best choice. Use bullet points to make it easy to read. Bullet points help break down information into digestible chunks, making it easier for customers to understand the benefits quickly. Focus on the benefits of your product, not just the features. Benefits explain how the features will improve the customer's life or solve a problem they have. Use high-quality product photos that show the product from different angles. Good photos can significantly impact a customer's decision to buy. Choose the right keywords for your listing. Keywords are crucial for search engine optimization and help your product get discovered. Keywords are the words people type into Amazon's search bar. They are the bridge between what customers are looking for and what you are offering. Use tools like Sonar or Merchant Words to find relevant keywords. These tools can provide insights into what potential customers are searching for. Include these keywords in your title, description, and bullet points. Use compelling visuals to enhance your listing. Include images that showcase your product in use. Lifestyle images help customers envision how the product fits into their lives. Consider using lifestyle images to help customers envision using your product. These images can create an emotional connection and make your product more appealing. A well-crafted listing can make all the difference in your Amazon FBA success. It's not just about listing a product, it's about creating an experience for the customer. Take the time to create a listing that stands out and converts browsers into buyers. Your effort in optimizing your listing can lead to increased visibility, higher sales, and ultimately, a more successful business on Amazon. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you.